This is a long vowel sound. It's pronounced E. Now you try. Repeat after me. E. E. Now here are some words which have this sound. Fleece, sea, machine. Now you try. Repeat after me. Fleece, sea, machine. Good. For speakers of some languages, it can be difficult to tell the difference between this sound, the long vowel E, and another sound, the short vowel I. Here are some examples where you can hear the difference. Litre, litter. Cheap, chip. Feet, fit. He's, his. Peach, pitch. Sheep, ship. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. In each example, the vowel with the long sound is first. Litre, litter. Cheap, chip. Feet, fit. He's, his. Peach, pitch. Sheep, ship. Good.
Please consider subscribing. Thanks.